In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable auto answer calls on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down and tap at Accessibility. Then get into Touch. Scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find Call Audio Routing. You need to get into it, and that's where we can easily find auto answer calls. If we tap at that option, that's where we can first off turn it on or off by toggling on or off that switcher. And if it is enabled, down below here we can control the duration of time to wait until the calls auto answered. By default it is set to 10 seconds in my case, however we can easily reduce it or increase it. The minimum amount of time is 3 seconds, however in that way we can easily change that value. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.